Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back for past perfect continuous. What is the structure actually? First, we'll discuss the structure. This is one example, past perfect continuous. We had been singing. Okay? We had been reading. Subject, the doer, had, the past tense of to have, been, that's past participle, that's the third form to be, and main verb present participle that is ending in ing. Okay? Past perfect continuous tense, it's already talking about, suppose it's the time, the usage will be had been plus verb and ing. Had been plus verb ing. Okay? If this is the present time and we are actually talking about something that happened before by this part, okay, past, something happened before by this particular time in the past, it is somewhere in between the actual past and the present time. For example, past perfect progressive. Progressive is another word for continuous tense. Had been, and present participle is the structure. She had been talking for an hour. For an hour means this is the present. At this time, she had been talking for an hour. This means suppose this was 12 o'clock and now this was 1 o'clock. At this time, most probably at this present time 2 o'clock is the time. So at 1 o'clock she had been talking for an hour. I had been walking near the river. I had been walking. This means up till now I have been walking. Before this time, before the present time, it has been ended. I had been walking near the river. Something that happened here but ends somewhere before present tense. Past perfect continuous tense. I had been teaching English. ing teaching, been and had. The plumber had been fixing the water tape for 2 hours. Now we have to give the time also. He had been working, fixing the water tape for 2 hours. The boys had been playing soccer for about an hour when it started to rain. The boys had been playing soccer for about an hour. Had been playing. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express something that started in the past and continued until another time in the past. Okay? But it ended before present. I had been standing at the bus stop for 30 minutes. You had been standing at the bus stop for 30 minutes. Or he had been standing at the bus stop for 30 minutes. Had been will remain with all the subjects. Previously we have done that for he, she, it, some other words are used. But over here had been is there with all. Katie had been practicing for weeks before the concert. Before the concert, 4 weeks before the concert is actually the telling the time. Okay. Positive sentence will be they had been playing tennis. Negative sentence, they hadn't been playing tennis. Question, had they been playing tennis? Question mark. Now we are having some positive, negatives and interrogative sentences also. Let's see. I had been working. Had been will always be there. I hadn't been working. Had I been working? Question mark? The same sentence you will find had with you, had with he, she, it, had with we. Okay? All these are the same. Past perfect continuous tenses, some sentences are given here. Look at the positive sentences first. Thomas had been trying to repair the phone the whole day. When is the time this sentence is being spoken? Yes, most probably at night after spending the whole day. We had been studying all day, so we are tired. Helen had been listening the same music for 4 hours when I came back home. This means now the time is different. Both the things happened in the past. Daniel had been watching TV for hours before he slept. Now he is sleeping. Present is he sleeping. You had been walking all afternoon on the beach. Now it is not afternoon. Okay? Now the negative sentences. He had not or hadn't been reading a book. I had not been cooking any meal when she came to my home. You had not been studying English all day. The actor had not or hadn't been working since morning. Both options can be right. The teacher had not been showing us a video when the bell rang. Negative. Not is coming after had. Not is not coming after been or after reading. Please be careful when you are making negative sentences. Now, in the question, while making a question, you will find that had will come in the beginning. The rest of the sentence will remain the same, but had will come with a capital H in the beginning. Had her daughter been eating? Had she been working? Had she been reading? Had he been cooking? Simple. If you need to see this sentence, we had been studying all day. How, if you want to make it negative, how will you make it? We had not been studying. Okay? If the same sentence you are trying to make change into question, then this had will go in the beginning with the capital H, and the rest of the sentence will be the same. Had we been studying all day? Question mark. Okay? Choose the right one. Let's see what it says. Choose the right past perfect continuous tense. Jack was tired because he jogged. He have been jog. He was jogging. Or he had been jogging. Which one is correct? A, B or C? Yes, you are right. It's C. That's all for today. Inshallah, we'll meet soon with other part of this video. Allah Hafiz.